Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster.
Hey guys, it's me Maddie and welcome back to this week's video. I feel like it's been such a long time since I've actually sat down and talked to the camera, so I'm actually super duper excited to film this video. So, as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, I'm going to be doing another Ipsy unboxing because when do I ever not do these videos? So I have my pink little bag here, and let's unbox it and see what I got this month. Oh my gosh, guys. So this is the front of the bag, and I really like the three colors that they have on the bag. Kind of gives me a very summer vibe. So that's what the front looks like, and the back is just plain. And then the little zipper is a heart. So let's open this up and see what I got. So the first thing that I have is a New York lip polish luxury lip gloss in the color Skinny Dip. So this is what the product looks like. It is a nudish gold, like kind of peachy, but like it's really pretty. There is some shimmer. I'm gonna see if there's a smell to this at all. Ooh. It does smell really good though. I really like it. It's like cookie something I'm getting. Like, I don't know. I'm going to do a little swatch. You guys can see right there that it is a little shimmery. It's sitting right here. But it is very nude, so I like that because I like that it is nude because when I go for a natural look, I definitely can use that. So yeah. This is in the color Raspberry Fizz. This is the color. This is pink but has a very raspberry looking color. So I really feel like it does fit the name of it. So there you guys go. And as I was opening the box, I saw these like 10 facts that it gives you that it's like free of. So that'll be on the side over here for you guys. So the next thing in this bag, let's see. I have this Talentsy. And I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know exactly. It's spelled Kensie. I don't know what this is. I feel like this is some sort of spray or something. Because I looked on the back and it says do not spray. So it's gotta be a spray. So I'm just gonna open this up right now. I'm excited. Come on. And I got it out. Okay. So it is a spray. I don't know what kind of spray it is though. Let me see if it says. It does not say what kind of spray it is. So I'm guessing it is just a face mist or a setting spray. So that is what I'm guessing this product is. I don't really know. Let me try to like test it out. If I can get it to spray. Okay, so I kind of like sprayed it in the air. I did spray it by my face, and I'm not supposed to do that, so don't do that. But when I sprayed it, it smelled like a perfume, so I'm guessing this is a perfume then. I don't really know, but it has a strong smell, so I am taking this as if it is a perfume. So do not spray it by your face, guys. Okay, so in this bag, the next product that I have is this Feel Pure Anywhere Balm in Rose. So this is a lip balm. It says how to use. Used as a lip balm or anywhere skin needs added nourishment, or as a tint for cheeks or eyes. So this sounds like a very cool kind of product, and I'm kind of excited to test it out. Let me see if it has a smell. As I pull the cap, or not cap, the little tabby thing off. Oh, it's kind of like a flowery scent, and then I like rubbed it in my hands, and it has a lot of moisture. So I am excited to use this. I think this product will be very helpful and nourishing. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is a MAC Prep Plus Prime. So this is a face primer, and I'm actually kind of excited to use this, but it comes in a very small tube. That is what the bottle looks like for you guys. Very small, but I'm hoping that this will be good. I can use this for travel and stuff like that, even though I don't know if I'm going to be going on any more vacations anytime soon. I know the last video I posted was my vacation video. I know the last video I posted was a vacation video, so yeah. But I can probably use this maybe if I'm going on a little trip or I'm staying at my friend's house. So yeah. Okay guys, so I grabbed the card out of the bag, and my prediction of the theme was not what I was thinking. Like, now seeing the card makes me understand what they were getting at with the bag. But so since this month is June, it's all about the Pride Month. So that's what Ipsy did for it, their little thing, as Ipsy, and then it has all like information about it. Yeah, and then they put a little bit of information about the MAC Prep Plus Prime product that you guys just saw. Okay guys, that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Comment below any video suggestions or products that you liked from this video. I'm so excited. I have tons and tons and tons of videos to film for you guys. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye!